Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hi, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, you should, subscribe and click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Yeah, so the title says it all. I am basically doing a supporting black owned businesses. They're not necessarily well, one of them, I basically just did two. I did one of my coworkers and then one of my cousins. So just showing you guys what I got and just reviewing all the things that I got. So the first one is going to be Dress for Less. That's the local one that is here in Jamaica. Dress for Less, and I got quite a few things. However, I don't have the shirt that I got, so I'm gonna insert the shirt here of me wearing it. I wore the shirt and it was super comfortable. It came with the tights, but the tights did not necessarily fit me that well. However, it was fine because your girl has thick legs, that's why. And then the next set of things are like nighty shorts that I got. I got nighty shorts and I got that set. So this is the bottom. This is one of the bottom. It's actually a shorts. It's this, what do you call it? It has pastel purple and light blue and bright blue with a little yellow at the bottom, and then it has this little lace thing at the very bottom part. That is one. This is the second one. This is a black and white shorts, and it also has a little brown thing at the bottom, the same brown mesh design, and these are 90 bottom. And then the last one I have is this pink leopard print looking one, and it also has a light pink lace thing at the bottom. And then the last item I got from this shop was another 90 bottom, and this is a cozy soft feeling, oh my gosh, it's so soft. This is a cozy soft 90 shorts, and it's quite comfy. It looks so comfy. I haven't worn it yet, but it feels great. It feels like my blanket. It has the feeling as like my blanket, so that's why I know it's comfy, yeah. So those are the things I got from Dress for Less. Now on to the next shop, which is AK Cosmetics. And from AK Cosmetics, it's a store, my cousin's store, and I'll put her Instagram here if you guys would like to shop from her shop. She does custom soaps and so, but since I actually bought like the, what do you call that wash, the Cetaphil already, I did not opt to buy a soap for my face because I don't want to be using too much stuff on my face at the same time, so I did not order one of that from her shop. However, I still got samples of it in my order. So basically I ordered, and I don't want to be showing any of my address. This is the box I got mine in because I ordered just two things, so basically it didn't need anything big. So this is what the package basically looks like, and all, this is her logo, the AK Cosmetics thing. However, I did take out the glasses already because this is a part of one of the gifts I gave to my sister. So I ordered this for her, so you guys will see this on her channel. If you did not yet see her video that we did a box swap, go and watch hers. So you'll have seen this. This is a sunglass, and yeah. So basically this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I gotta try on my sister glasses, so guys. I feel like $1,000,000. Yeah. Yeah, let's continue. I don't feel like I want to take off my sister glasses. It is cute, guys. It is really cute. Wait. Oh, I don't use the things. And it came in such a pretty bag. This is the bag with, it has some little crowns on it and all. So it's just cute. Defocus. There we go. So it came with that, and then it came, everything was perfect when it came. Nothing was broken, you know. But so I think it's pretty cool. Alright, so the next thing I got was basically a set of scrunchies. So I got 3 scrunchies because, as I said, the shop is mostly things like soap and such, but she sells these as well. So I took things that I know that I probably use, because I don't want to buy the soap and then not use it. So I got 3, and they're kind of velvety. They have a velvety feeling. So I got these 3 colors. Alright, and then in the box it came with a little bit of goodies, and it came with 3 goodies. So it came with a sample soap of her rose aloe soap, and I thought these were extremely cute. Like, would you focus? There you go. So it's like a crown, and I thought it was really cute. I'm not sure even what it's used for. I'm gonna research and see, but I'm not even sure what they're used for. This one is the charcoal soap, and I think charcoal is always good. However, I said I'm not sure if I want to use them yet because of what I'm using on my face, so I'm not sure if I want to use it. And it also came with a sweet, guys. It came with a sweetie. So, and the CT was not even broken. You tell me how good it packaged, you know. That's pretty cool. I thought it was pretty cool, and I got like the cards and such that came in it that says, "Thank you, Queen, for shopping with us. We appreciate your business. Tell a friend and share. Tag us on our social media about your experience." So yes, guys, go ahead and check it out. That is what the card looks like. And their Instagram, as I said, I'll be putting here, akcosmetics.shop, and she also have a YouTube channel at AK's Nation. So go ahead, guys, and check it out. So yes, guys, that's all the small businesses that I supported for this round. I will probably do some more of that at a later date. But I did buy some things from SHEIN. Now, I learned about SHEIN from some videos, and basically buying plus size clothes is not easy, especially in Jamaica. Just walking around, you're not gonna find cute clothes that can fit, right? So I opted to go on SHEIN and, you know, just look. And then I found some pretty clothes, and I was like, can these fit me? I don't know. So I wanted some things for my sister, plus I wanted some things for myself, but I needed the things for my sister first. So a lot of the things I'm going to be showing you here is just more for my sister, but I did order 2 things for myself. First thing I'm going to show you from SHEIN is actually mine, and it's a pop socket. I actually wanted a pop socket for my phone, but I'm not gonna be putting it on as yet. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of smaller than I expected. In the photo it looked so much bigger. It's actually the one that you pull up like that, and it has a black marble look on it. And so, you know, I really expected this to be much bigger. So, you know, it's kind of smaller than I expected, not gonna lie, but it's cute. And then the next thing, I want to do the small things first, and then I get to the big guns after. So, oh, it came in a bag like this. Everything came in a bag like that. Let me just grab the small things from there. All right, so 1, 2, 3. I got 6 things from SHEIN actually. So the second thing I got was this keychain. This I bought for my sister. She loves pink, so I made sure that it had pink on it. So it's really cute. I don't know, it's just cute. So it has a lipstick, a lip, eyeglass, a purse, and something that's called peach. I don't know, but I just thought it was really cute, and she loves it, so I think that was a win. Chicken, let's shut up now. Sure, I'll tell you these chickens. All right, so the next thing I bought was a pair of earring, hoops basically, and she loves earrings. She just loves jewelry and purses and such, so I knew getting these things were always a win for her. And this is, I know she always wanted like something like this, so I bought this for her. It's actually a hoop earring that says queen, because she's my queen, you know. Just imagine these in her ear. Oh, yo, these are just cute. They're actually bigger than I actually expected. Not gonna lie, they're huge, but they're super cute, and they're not heavy. They're actually lightweight, so they won't, I don't think they'll weigh down your ears too much, so that's good. All right, and then the next thing I'm gonna be showing you guys is a dress that I got her, and it comes in a bag like this. All the clothing items comes in a bag like this, because I bought 2 clothing items. The dress, which is my sister's, and it's all right, so this is what the dress looks like on SHEIN, right? I'm not saying I'm disappointed, because she loves it, but it's more mesh than I expected. It's not really a dress. You have to like wear something under this for it to actually be worn, but it's true to color. It's very pretty, and she loves it, so I'm not mad. But I think telling me it was mesh would have been nice. I would have appreciated that, but I don't know, probably I may never read it. I don't know, probably may never read it, but I didn't see it. And then the next clothing item is mine, and I bought myself a black joggers. And tell you guys the truth, is if you're buying from the plus size section, well, I'm gonna try up jeans pants first, and then a blouse, and I'll tell you guys. I bought this in a 3X, right? And it is huge. It fits, because of the waist it fits, but the parts down here, they are huge. But I'm still gonna wear it just like as an oversized joggers. It's good material, a light material, and all. It's just a nice black, it's just a nice black joggers. So I'm gonna really enjoy this, because I really wanted a black joggers, and I have some things that I need to order more of, so I'm pretty excited to, you know, do some more. And then the last thing I purchased was actually for my sister again. It is this basketball bag, and guys, how cute yeah, how cute is this? How cute is this? I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was actually bigger when I saw it online, because what I did was look at the pictures that I saw, you know, like people holding it, and it looks, to me it looked a little bigger. I don't know. I'll show everything here, like, you know, the price and all, and it has quite a bit of space in there. You can carry your phone and whatnot inside. Cute little purse, not gonna lie, even though I'm not a purse person. So yeah, very cute. So that's what I bought from SHEIN. And yeah, so that's gonna be the end of my little haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.